Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Philips Sonicare app for device sync. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize the Philips Sonicare app for device sync, first, ensure your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, download the Philips Sonicare app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the app on your smartphone and tap on the Sign In or Create Account option. Follow the prompts to input your email address and create a secure password, or log in with your existing account. Once logged in, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. Tap on the Devices section within the app. Select Add Device to begin the synchronization process. The app will automatically search for nearby Sonicare devices. Make sure your Sonicare toothbrush is turned on and within Bluetooth range of your phone. Once your device appears in the app, tap on it to initiate the pairing process. You may be prompted to confirm the connection on your toothbrush. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the synchronization. After successful pairing, your app should display a confirmation message. Now you can customize your brushing settings and track your progress through the app. Ensure to regularly sync your device for the best experience. If you encounter any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section within the app for guidance. Enjoy your enhanced oral care experience with the Philips Sonicare app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.